All right, good morning, guys, and welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Bit late today, so going to quickly dive into it. It's going to be a quick one, um, but we can already see it, right? We start on GU today. Yesterday, we took our previous daily lows from that wick, and still wicks to the downside and to the upside. And what I actually like is that those wicks and this candle actually is followed by the first bearish closure with those wicks. And on the lower time frames, we can see that price is now starting to realign with this with a structure. And more importantly, we had this minor structure going on here, and we broke below here, which is the last low that led to that new high. So I really like that idea of looking for shorts now on GU. So it's gonna be a quick one. So I'm not gonna break down everything, all the candles. What I'm looking at for GU for today would be this order block. And as you can see, this is a nice 50-minute supply zone. 50-minute supply zone. Why the order block? Because the liquidity that sits below there. Break not too strong as of yet, but it's looking good though. Things we can't ignore is that we do have some liquidity that's building up to the upside here. This isn't a strong break. We still have this low that led to that high as well, especially if you're gonna check something real quick. Yeah, so we never reached that discounted pricing, so it could just break a little bit further down and then move further up. But for now, I hope to see price bursting further to the downside. Ideally, trickle back up to this area and then give us the move so we can look for shorts. Yeah. High time frame wise, daily candle wise covered that. So that's mostly it. I can see we came into that 50% of the supplies on the high time frames. Liquidity taking, yeah, so I'm fairly bearish on GU now, so that's looking good. And then EU, yeah, EU is now showing those signs of that bearish continuation. Although that last candle, that Thursday candle, is not really the strongest. What I do like is that large wick to the upside, which is a retracement on the low time frames. We took some liquidity and we actually this range I was talking about, where I said we have this low, this high up to that low. We now have that as well. So what I will do is remove all that noise. This can all go. Whoa. Some time, guys. There we go. So what we have now is low. That's what I thought. Can I just 1 hour make it purple? We have a high, and we have our lower high, lower low, lower high. And now that's realigned. Now it makes sense as well. So we have that. I actually didn't take those equals there, which is quite interesting because now we have more liquidity to the upside. But it turns out they don't need to take it. So for EU, zooming in onto the 15-minute, you can see this nice fair value gap there, imbalance zone. And we also have a nice supply zone there. And I would actually go for that 1 hour supply zone covering most of that 1 hour imbalance there. I'm looking for shorts from here. We now also tapped into that discount area on the green range, so we can look for potential longs. Although not big fan of it. If we break below the previous daily lows, it would be valid to look for longs into these short areas. Same for GU, by the way. Am I correct? No, I'm not correct. Not on GU, but I do on EU like the idea of potential longs. But we know that also in the higher time frames we're building up liquidity, but there, by the way, that we want to reach lower now. So it's not a high probability based on these higher time frame ranges. But yeah, let's see, let's see. So for EU shorts and potential longs, a bit tricky. Thing I don't like about EU is that we're building up a lot of liquidity to the upside here. Equals, trend lines, everything. And for GU, only shorts from this area, which is quite far away, so don't think that will happen today. But yeah, let's see. Then gonna do a bit of marking. Whoa. Then we have Asia highs up here. Ideally this one though, but for sake of timing, let's take that one. Equal Asia lows there, or at least reaction. This is a nice reaction, so this is the real Asia low. Asia high and Asia low. And yeah, quick forecast, quick pre-market analysis, but that's what I'm looking at. I wish you guys good luck in the market. Catch you guys later and peace out.